Have you ever been fascinated by the mysterious and mesmerizing technique of speaking in reverse? The art of reversing speech has intrigued humanity for centuries, from secret codes in ancient civilizations to modern-day hidden messages in music and movies. In this compelling essay, we embark on a journey to explore the captivating world of speaking in reverse. We will delve into the history, techniques, and significance of this enigmatic skill, uncovering the secrets behind its allure. Whether you aim to master the art for fun, creative expression, or decoding hidden messages, join us as we unveil the secrets of speaking in reverse. Section 1. A history of backward speech. We begin by tracing the roots of speaking in reverse throughout history. From ancient cultures, cryptic codes, and secret languages to religious rituals and mystical practices, we explore the diverse origins of this intriguing art form. Section 2. The science of reversed speech. Delving into the science behind speaking in reverse, we examine the fascinating cognitive processes and linguistic aspects that come into play. Explore the brain's ability to comprehend and produce backward speech, shedding light on how our minds process this peculiar phenomenon. Section 3. Techniques for speaking in reverse. Unlocking the practicalities. We dive into various techniques to master the art of speaking in reverse. We break down the process from word-level reversals to entire sentence constructions, guiding aspiring reverse speakers step by step. Section 4. Creative applications and entertainment. Discover the artistic applications of speaking in reverse in music, movies, and entertainment. From hidden messages in popular songs to iconic movie scenes played backward, we explore the creative use of reverse speech as a storytelling device. Section 5. Speaking in reverse is a form of encryption. Unraveling the secretive aspect of this skill, we investigate how speaking in reverse has been employed as a method of encryption and communication among secretive societies, spies, and cryptographers. Section 6. The role of technology in reverse speech. Examine the impact of technology on speaking in reverse. From digital audio editing software to speech synthesis techniques, we discuss how technology has expanded the possibilities for manipulation and analysis of reverse speech. Section 7. The psychology of backwards communication. Understand the psychological implications of speaking in reverse, including its effects on perception, cognition, and memory. We explore the psychological aspects of reverse speech as a source of fascination and intrigue. Section 8. Linguistic and cultural significance. Uncover the linguistic and cultural significance of speaking in reverse, from its role in artistic expression to its incorporation into various cultural rituals and ceremonies. Section 9. Ethical considerations and misinterpretations. Discuss the ethical considerations surrounding speaking in reverse, including potential misinterpretations and the responsible use of this skill in various contexts. Section 10. A journey into reverse speech analysis. Delve into the world of reverse speech analysis, a controversial field that claims to uncover hidden meanings and insights into the subconscious mind through backward speech examination. As we conclude our enthralling journey through the intricacies of speaking in reverse, the allure of this mysterious art form continues to captivate our curiosity. From historical origins and scientific insights to creative applications and ethical considerations, speaking in reverse encompasses a realm of intrigue and fascination. Whether you wish to explore this skill as a form of creative expression or seek to decode hidden messages in popular media, the art of speaking in reverse offers a realm of possibilities. As you embark on your own journey to master the art, remember that the magic of reverse speech lies not only in its captivating mystique, but also in the imaginative exploration of communication in a backward flow of time. Embrace the enchantment of speaking in reverse, and let the secrets of this enigmatic skill enrich your understanding of language and human communication.